Hello mga kapatid, mag-rest lang ako saglit. Katatapos kong namalansya mga kapatid at pupunta ako sa market. Mag-rest lang ako saglit. Gathered here within this place, we can share in God's redeeming grace. There's no room for that of fear. We can feel His presence here as we face its passing day. We will serve and honor and obey. And if hope you start today, we will know our trust is in Him, and we will give our faith and love. God will always be our guide. Through the darkest night, we will see God's light. We will keep our faith alive. We will live as God has planned. Though at times we may not understand many things we may not see, but our faith will help us believe. From His word we learn the truth. Through His love we all are brought anew. With His help we will not fail, for we know our God will prevail, and we will keep our faith alive. God will always be our guide. Through the darkest night, we will see God's light. We will keep our faith alive. We can share the love He gave. All the world will know that we are His. In God's name